Have you ever thought to yourself, I don't make enough money to save? In this video, I'll be discussing what you need to do to fix this, and if you stick to the end, I'll be giving you one tip today to help you start saving. Hey everybody, my name is Michael and welcome to the Real Michael Berry channel, where I have a passion of seeing millennials being successful with their money. If you haven't already, I want you to subscribe to the channel for future content and click on the bell notification so that way you know when I make a video. Now, one of the responses that I hear often is that only the rich people can save. And my response to that is yes, rich people can save more because they have the capacity to, but just because you make a lot of money does not mean that you manage your money well. When it comes down to it, how do you want to live your life? Do you want to buy everything you want right now? Or do you want to go without some of the luxuries so that way you can have a secure financial future? Now, I'm not saying live life with none of the luxuries and don't enjoy yourself, but it's better to be without than to live without. Don't let your spending habits get you kicked out your house. Don't let your spending habits get your car repoed. When learning how to save, you must think of your money as a tool. The better you are using that tool, the better you are controlling that tool, the closer you get to your goal. So when you're saving on a consistent basis, being frugal, learning how to budget, these are the three things that's going to help you get to whatever that goal is. Now, when it comes to your money, if you're not controlling your money, you have to understand that somebody's controlling it for you. So you have to be mindful of where your money is going when it comes to paying your bills, paying your car note, paying your mortgage, buying things at the grocery store. The more specific, the more on the dotted line you are, the more money you will end up saving. When creating a savings goal, you have to understand that a couple of things are going to take place. First, you have to find out how much you want to save in the amount of time you want to save it. Secondly, how much do you want to add to that savings each and every month? And then lastly, you have to understand that your consistency, your budget is going to help you reach whatever goal you have set. Now, in doing all of this, you also have to identify the areas of opportunity. Areas of opportunity where as far as you can save money. In this, you may have to redirect some of your spending, so you may eat out too much, and you may have to redirect that towards savings, going buy groceries. You may need to cut your cable. You may need to change your electricity plan, lower your car insurance. There's always opportunity to find 10%, to find 5%, to find 2% in your spending, and this is done through looking through your transactions. If you're in a situation where you're living beyond your means, meaning that you're not able to meet your bills or your bills are increasing and you're not able to catch up, you have one or two options. The first one being that, yes, you have to generate more income. You have to find a way to make more money. You have to create a side hustle, get a second job. You got to get more money coming in. Or you have to start cutting your expenses, where this is lower your car insurance, lower your household, your house note, your rent. You have to find a way to cut your expenses so that way you can keep the money that you have coming in. Now, when it comes to your budget, you always have the capacity to save. No matter how much you make or how little you make, you can always do the digging. You can always identify those areas of opportunity, and then you have to make those numbers work. When those numbers finally make sense to you, you have to stick to your budget. You have to stay consistent so that way you can start hitting your savings goals. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, I want you to subscribe to the channel for future content and click on the bell notification. See you guys in the next video.